I'm going to draw a cute cartoony ice cream cone for you. Follow along at your own pace. First thing we'll do is start out with a V shape. And gonna add some melty loops here. We'll say 4 of them, like that. And I'm gonna start to draw the first scoop, but I'm gonna leave some space here. I'm not gonna complete the loop because I wanna have a couple scoops on top. So stop the loop about here to leave room. Continue it over here. Then I'll draw some melty shapes underneath. And again, same thing here, leave some space here. And we'll draw another tiny scoop on top. Like that. Alright, next thing I'll do is come down here and just draw some diagonal lines coming across for the cone. So we'll just repeat this pattern. Let me know in the comments what your favorite dessert is, and I'll draw it in the next videos. Alright, so now I'm going to give this guy a face. Draw an eye here, which is just a circle, and a highlight. Another one on the other side that's just a little smaller. Another eye, big highlight, little highlight, fill it in. And we'll draw a horizontal line about the same width of these eyes, pretty close up near them, and a U shape for the mouth, tongue, fill it in the black. Now let's give them some blushies, which are just ovals. And up here, draw another guy. This gal will be looking off to this side. And highlights. And I'm gonna give him kind of like a cat face. Some little dashes on his cheeks for blushes. Maybe a couple eyelashes. Then up here, we'll just draw a tiny face. And then, let's give some highlights. That, kind of like a slice of pizza. Oh, you know what I forgot? Down here, we gotta finish this cone. So, just draw diagonal shapes in the opposite direction. So coming down here, draw up. I'm just adding some weight to the lines. You can try to refine the lines a little bit. And that's how you draw cartoon ice cream cone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to learn some more and draw some more stuff.